come from a healthcare background. I'm a dentist by profession, and my clinical background have taught me a lot of discipline, a lot of interpersonal communication, and I always had an inclination towards business. And therein I decided that GIM's healthcare management program would be the perfect fit for me. During my course in healthcare management, I learned not just business, I learned a lot of human resource management, operations, and different subjects across platforms. And during my interview for Philips, where I did my internship, I found that all the information that I learned in my classroom really translated. And my internship at Philips was also in the sales and marketing domain, and we have a lot of subjects dealing with sales and marketing in our first year. And I could translate a little bit of everything into my internship. Additionally, GIM gives you the opportunity to be a part of a lot of committees, cells, and societies. And here I am a part of the Student Alumni Relations Cell and also the Society Oxygen, which is the official band of GIM, wherein I learned a lot of creativity and I could build on what I already had, that is good communication and good interpersonal skills. I'm a part of Oxygen, which happens to be the official band of GIM. I have always had a passion for music, and there I met a lot of creative individuals, extremely talented individuals, where I learned a lot of collaboration. And there is nothing more important in corporate than to be pro at collaborating with other individuals. And I learned a lot of collaboration at Oxygen. Also, I was never a part of anything, any sort of a committee when I was in my undergraduate degree. Here I got the opportunity to be a part of the Student Relations Cell, wherein I learned not just stakeholder management inside the institute, but also across industry, since we get to interact with alumni across industries. This helped me develop a lot of emotional intelligence, is what I feel. And this I could apply directly in my corporate journey at Philips. And during my journey at Philips, I was given a deadline. I had 2 months to complete my project, and I understood that whatever I've developed in the 1-year span at healthcare management, I needed to constrict and apply it for the 2-month journey to convert what I had into a PPO. I think we all possess a lot of IQ, but being a part of a B school, you develop a lot of emotional intelligence as well and emotional quotient as well. And being a part of so many societies, committees, and individual is given a lot of platforms to develop that, and I think that EQ could be translated very well if you enter your internship, and that really helped me translate my opportunity into a pre-placement.